After your photo and your video, the next place a meeting planner will look to learn more information about you is your bio. Your biography is where you have a chance to talk to your potential customers and let them know in detail why they should choose you. Your bio should be several paragraphs long, something that takes 2 to 3 minutes to read through entirely, but don't overdo it. 3 or 4 total pages of text is discouraging enough that some readers won't even start on it. The opening paragraph should continue to tell the meeting planner your benefit to their audience. Don't start off talking entirely about yourself and your history right away. Talk about how your experience leads to benefits the audience will receive if they book you. Finish what you started in the audience benefits statement. That's part 1. Part 2 is your bio. If the audience benefit statement is the title of the blog post or the subject line of the newsletter, your bio is the content that they read after they click. This is your value proposition, so let them know why the audience will be improved after hearing you speak. The bio editor section on your profile allows for some simple formatting options, like bold and bullet lists. Use these sparingly, but do use them. Don't leave your beautiful words lumped into one big ugly block of text. Use line breaks and paragraphs to keep ideas separate, and use bullet lists to showcase your speech titles and impressive client names. So when you write your bio, remember, in the first paragraph, you want to focus on the benefits to the customer if they choose you. Give examples of specific problems that you've solved in the past and results that have been achieved because of your speaking. It's great to articulate solutions that need your skills right here in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, that's where you can get into more detail. Provide supporting evidence for your claims. List your education, your relevant life history and work history. If there's any significant achievements that you've attained, or if there's any unusual experiences that really make you stand out, the second paragraph is a great place for that. Beyond that, in the third paragraph, it'll be great to list all of your accomplishments. If you want to have those in detail, move them down below the first 2 paragraphs. You can list all of your credentials, list success stories from people who have hired you in the past. And remember, do this with bullet lists. So that way people can easily scan through all of your accomplishments. As a reminder, compose in a different document. Our system does time out after 10 minutes, so if you write here in this editor, you may lose your work. Write in a different program, copy and paste from that program into the bio editor here in the profile, and save your work at the bottom.